What are you doing?
Are you going wee?
Are you honking the horn?
With your belly?
Hey, sit down.
No.
Hey, sit down. Sit down, go wee. Fred. Who are you honking at? Who are you honking at?
Those people that I can't are probably like, what the hell is going on? Why are you honking? You honk with your belly? Get it. Get that.